By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to analyze the theoretical frameworks that underpin the integrative approach in educational contexts, explore the fundamental concepts of the integrative approach that enhance student motivation and collaboration, recognize the distinctive characteristics of the integrative approach that support effective educational practices, assess essential strategies for implementing the integrative approach in various educational settings. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture discusses the importance of the integrative approach in education, highlighting its essential contribution to cultivating quality learning outcomes. This approach serves as a bridge between theory and practice, fostering an engaging and inclusive learning environment where every student can thrive. By exploring its core principles and distinctive features, this approach fosters learners' deeper understanding and empowers them to take charge of their own educational experience. The main goal is to clarify effective strategies for implementing the integrative approach in alignment with specific instructional objectives, ensuring that diverse learning needs are met. So, let's begin with this question. What are the core principles of the integrative approach in education, and how do they contribute to quality learning outcomes? The integrative approach is an educational methodology that emphasizes the interconnectedness of knowledge across various disciplines, enabling students to draw meaningful connections between concepts and real-world experiences. This approach encourages learners to see relationships among different subject areas, fostering a holistic understanding of the material. By integrating themes and projects that resonate with students' interests and daily lives, teachers create engaging learning experiences that enhance retention and application of knowledge. This innovative approach posits that cognition is optimized when learners engage in multidisciplinary synthesis, facilitating the construction of robust neural networks that span diverse cognitive domains. It engenders a holistic epistemological framework, enabling students to discern latent correlations between disparate concepts. This pedagogical view equips learners with the cognitive flexibility required for managing the complexities of an increasingly interdisciplinary educational landscape. Principles of the integrative approach. The integrative approach is underpinned by several core principles that enhance the learning experience by connecting knowledge across disciplines. These principles include 1. Interdisciplinary connections. This principle involves linking multiple subjects or disciplines to create a more comprehensive understanding of concepts. Teachers design lessons that bridge traditional subject boundaries, helping students see how different areas of knowledge intersect and relate to one another. This approach enables learners to develop a more holistic view of the world and recognize the interconnectedness of various fields of study. 2. Authentic learning experiences. The integrative approach emphasizes real-world, contextual learning. Teachers create opportunities for students to engage with genuine problems, projects, and scenarios that mirror real-life situations. This authenticity makes learning more relevant and meaningful, helping students understand the practical applications of their knowledge and skills. 3. Skill integration. Rather than teaching skills in isolation, this principle focuses on developing multiple skills simultaneously through integrated activities. For example, a project might combine research, writing, presentation, and technology skills. This approach reflects real-world scenarios where various skills are often used in conjunction to solve problems or complete tasks. 4. Thematic instruction. Thematic instruction organizes the curriculum around central themes or big ideas rather than isolated subjects. These themes serve as unifying concepts that tie together various disciplines and skills. By exploring a theme from multiple angles and through different subject lenses, students gain a deeper, more nuanced understanding of the topic and its broader implications. 5. Student engagement. By presenting content in an integrated, relevant manner, this approach aims to increase student engagement and motivation. Students are more likely to be invested in their learning when they see its relevance and can make connections across different areas of study. This engagement often leads to deeper understanding and better retention of knowledge. 6. Real-world applications. Learning experiences are designed to relate directly to real-life situations, helping students understand the relevance and practical application of their knowledge. This approach engages learners and provides them with the necessary tools to deal with complex challenges in their personal and professional lives, and bridges the gap between academic learning and practical experience. 7. Holistic assessment. Assessment in the integrative approach goes beyond traditional tests and quizzes. It often involves project-based assessments, portfolios, presentations, and other methods that can evaluate students' understanding across multiple subjects and skills simultaneously. This holistic assessment provides a more comprehensive picture of student learning and growth. Key features of the integrative approach. The integrative approach is underpinned by several core principles that enhance the learning experience by connecting knowledge across disciplines. These principles promote holistic understanding, foster critical thinking, and encourage collaborative inquiry, allowing students to draw meaningful connections between subjects. These features include: 1. Holistic perspective. The integrative approach views learning as a comprehensive process that encompasses cognitive, emotional, social, and physical aspects of development. It aims to educate the whole person rather than focusing solely on academic knowledge. 2. Cross-disciplinary connections. This feature emphasizes linking different subject areas to create a more interconnected understanding. It breaks down traditional subject boundaries, allowing students to see how various fields of knowledge relate to and inform each other. 3. Real-world relevance. The approach prioritizes connecting learning to real-life situations and problems. This relevance helps students understand the practical applications of their knowledge and skills, enhancing motivation and engagement. 4. Active learning. Students are encouraged to be active participants in their learning process. This involves hands-on experiences, problem-solving activities, discussions, and projects that promote deep understanding and skill development. 5. Flexible curriculum design. The curriculum is adaptable and responsive to student needs, interests, and current events. It allows for the incorporation of emerging topics and the pursuit of student-driven inquiries within the broader learning framework. 6. Multiple intelligences. This feature recognizes and values different types of intelligence and learning styles. The approach incorporates diverse teaching methods and assessment strategies to cater to various strengths and preferences among students. 7. Continuous assessment. Assessment is viewed as an ongoing process rather than just end-of-unit tests. It includes a variety of methods such as projects, portfolios, presentations, and self-reflection, providing a more comprehensive picture of student growth and understanding. Implementation strategies of the integrative approach. The integrative approach can be effectively implemented in the classroom through various strategies that promote interdisciplinary learning and meaningful connections among subjects. Here are some key implementation strategies. 1. Thematic instruction. Organize lessons around central themes that link multiple disciplines, allowing students to explore concepts in a cohesive manner. For example, a theme like sustainability could encompass science, social studies, and language arts. 2. Collaborative projects. Encourage group work where students from different subject areas collaborate on projects. This promotes teamwork and allows students to apply knowledge from various disciplines to solve real-world problems. 3. Use of real-world problems. Integrate real-life scenarios into lessons, enabling students to apply their knowledge in practical contexts. This approach enhances relevance and helps students see the connections between their learning and everyday life. 4. Interdisciplinary learning centers. Create learning stations that focus on specific skills or themes, allowing students to engage with content from multiple subjects simultaneously. For example, a center could combine art and math through activities like geometric design. 5. Reflective practices. Incorporate opportunities for students to reflect on their learning experiences and make connections between different subjects. This could involve journaling or group discussions that encourage critical thinking about how various concepts interrelate. 6. Integration of technology. Utilize digital tools and resources to facilitate collaborative learning and research across disciplines. For instance, students can use online platforms for group projects or create multimedia presentations that synthesize information from different subject areas. By employing these strategies, teachers can create an engaging and dynamic learning environment that fosters critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to make meaningful connections across disciplines. Conclusion. The integrative approach in education represents a transformative shift that moves beyond traditional learning methods to foster a more interconnected and meaningful educational experience. By blending various disciplines, this approach encourages students to see the relationships between concepts, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for managing today's complex world. It promotes collaborative learning, where students engage with diverse perspectives and work together to tackle real-world challenges, enhancing their social and emotional development. Furthermore, the integrative approach emphasizes experiential learning, allowing students to apply theoretical knowledge in practical contexts, thereby deepening their understanding and retention. Ultimately, this holistic framework prepares students for academic success and provides them with the skills and adaptability needed to meet the requirements of modern education.